What in the Ohio is going on here? I saw that I had 180 Ring notifications on my phone when I woke up this morning. So I'm scrolling through these notifications to see what possibly could have caused this, and what I saw, if I didn't have this footage, literally nobody would believe me that this happened. This is what I saw. Some random NPC walked up on my porch, stared at my Ring camera for a few seconds, and started licking my fucking doorbell. Now here's what's really crazy. This guy licked my doorbell for 2 hours straight. That's why there was 180 notifications, because my boy was going ham on that doorbell. God damn.